Welcome to Database Solution Tutorials. In this video, we will guide you how you can set up the record entry notification using this system. Let's get started. First, pick the table you'll be working with and head over to the Configuration section. Then, navigate to the Notification tab. Click the plus icon to create a standard notification. A pop-up will show up. Pick a recipient in the drop-down, then hit Add. You can choose specific users from the system, or you can select Phone on Current Record, which sends the notification via SMS to the phone number saved in that particular record. Likewise, you may select Email on Current Record, which works the same way, but sends the notification to the email address stored in that record. In this example, we will be using the specific user. Choose Existing User in the site, and click the Add. You'll see that a new row is added to the standard notification table. This indicates that the setup has been successfully added. Under the Add Data Notification column, select how you want the notification to be sent, whether both email or SMS. Since we selected email in the drop-down, whenever new data is added to the table, the system will send a notification to the user's email. Add the record and save it. After saving, this is the sample email notification the user will receive. You will notice there is a clickable link in here to preview the actual record saved in the system. Click the link, and it will redirect you to the actual record. And that's it. That's how you can set up the notification for record entry. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.